Mealtime Reviews, back with another review, and today we got, I ain't gonna know. I had to open it because I don't like to have time struggling with one hand. I had to open it a little bit. Okay, this is my cologne. If you watch the channel or watch some of the other videos, then you know I've been getting this cologne and I kind of like it. This is one I just found. It's called Blue. Let me open it up and see what it looks like. There we go. Oh man, Blue, I love they little bottles. I don't know why we review cologne and you can't smell it. I can smell it for you. Let's see. Smells good. I like this. So there you have it. Mealtime Reviews. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Hit me up before I went. You dig. Holla back, youngin'.